only Samskrtam. No transliteration business, right? Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. After that, okay, you can repeat after me. Sakshat Kritam Dayanandam. Sakshat Kritam Dayanandam. Sakshat Kritam Dayanandam. Paramartha Swarupinam. Paramartha Swarupinam. Paramartha Swarupinam. You can recognize, right? Yes. You can recognize. Paramartha Swarupinam. Tattvajnana Prashastaram. Tattvajnana Prashastaram. Tattvajnana Prashastaram. Pranatosmi Param Padam. Pranatosmi Param Padam. Pranatosmi Param Padam. What is Pranatosmi? That yes is there. What is that yes? Don't worry about it. Okay. It is as though not there. It is as though not there. Even if it is there, it doesn't have any impact in pronunciation. It is. We'll see what it is later in the studies and the end of. Okay. So it is, even if it is there, you don't have to. It doesn't have pronunciation. It is a symbol. That's it. Symbol to show something. So Pranatosmi. It is. You can consider it is not there. So Pranatosmi Param Padam. Okay. Now. Vagartha viva samprattau. Vagartha viva samprattau. Vagartha viva samprattau. Vagartha pratipattaye. Vagartha pratipattaye. Vagartha pratipattaye. Jagatah pitarau vande. Jagatah pitarau vande. Jagatah pitarau vande. Why it is Jagatah? We'll talk about it. Parvati Parameshwarau. Parvati Parameshwarau. Parvati Parameshwarau. Yenakshara samamnayam. Yenakshara samamnayam. Yenakshara samamnayam. Not nyayam and all. Nyayam, anyayam, not there. Samamnayam. Yenakshara samamnayam. Yenakshara samamnayam. Yenakshara samamnayam. Adhigamyam maheshwarat. Adhigamyam maheshwarat. Adhigamyam maheshwarat. You can recognize, no? Yes, the words, the letters, no? You have to recognize. There is no other choice. I have to drag you otherwise. Kritsnam, either you come with me, otherwise I'll drag you. Kritsnam Vyakaranam Proktam. Kritsnam Vyakaranam Proktam. Kritsnam Vyakaranam Proktam. Don't say Kritsnam is not there. We have discussed it. In the afternoon class, in the morning class also we have discussed. Kritsnam, not Krishnam, okay? Kritsnam, total. Vyakaranam, grammar. Proktam, told. By whom? Tasmai Paninaye Namaha. Tasmai Paninaye Namaha. Tasmai Paninaye Namaha. Vakyakaram Vararuchim. Vakyakaram Vararuchim. Vakyakaram Vararuchim. Again. Vakyakaram Vararuchim. What is the unity chant? Vakyakaram Vararuchim. 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 No. Vakyakaram Vararuchim. Vakyakaram Vararuchim. Vakyakaram Vararuchim. Total cerebral. Radu. So, get a practice. It will come. It will come. We are going to chant every class, so it will come automatically. Third line. Bhashyakaram Patanjalim. Bhashyakaram Patanjalim. Bhashyakaram Patanjalim. Paninim Sutrakarancha. to chant this every class. Okay. Yes.
The one that looks like an S. What?
I said no S. Yes, you can consider as well not there.
Okay. Okay.
It doesn't have any specific pronunciation.
Can you use a printer?
Huh?
Printer.
Not required printout. Because you will go and chant every day, it will get it. Otherwise you have to write it. You have to write. I insist on writing. I am not giving any handouts. I will not give any handouts. If you want, you can find in your book, Shabda Manjari, you will find these shlokas. It will be there. Then, Om Sagana Bhavatu Sagano Bhavatu Saviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay. Have you memorized this? 4 sutras? Yes? No?
No.
Don't ask me what is that. Not required. I want you to memorize it. That's why I want you to write it. You have to write it. Even if you discuss on that, doesn't matter. You write it and please memorize it. Okay. I want you to memorize this. And I will keep on adding the further sutras. Later we will talk about the sutras in detail. What is that? What is its significance and all we will talk about. Don't ask now what is that sutra, what is such. I just gave you Akandal just for your curiosity. It will be good. It has a way to represent all the verbs, the short form, just to give that idea. Right? We will talk about it in great detail later. But you have to memorize it. That is why I introduced now. We are going to read words with conjunct consonants. That's what we are going to do. But why did I introduce? By the time we finish, then go to the next topic. This topic will come. That time it will be very helpful, handy. So you please memorize this, right? There is no other choice. You have to memorize this. So you need to have good memory power. That's why we are trying to Saraswati. Prano Devi Saraswati. Why should we start that? And Navratri starts from tomorrow. So you pray to Saraswati. Hold on to her. Ask for more Meda Shakti. Right? Ayun. Again. Ruluk. Again. Eom. I ouch. Ayun. Ruluk. Eom. I ouch. 1, 2, 3, 4 sutras. These are sutras. Should be the same order, and we should not split the order of the sutra and also the letters within the sutra. Not allowed. As it is, the same. Let us be imprinted in your head. Right? Ayun. Ruluk. Eom. I ouch. Ayun. Ruluk. Eom. I ouch. Now you chant. Ayun. Again. So tomorrow is a deadline. You have to memorize this. Now I am going to, you have to memorize these 4. Because I am going to add some more 3. Ready for it? 5th one. Hayavarat. 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 Louder. Again. 10 times. Okay. See, in the class we have to be like children. There is no other way. Certain things you have to memorize. Like a child memorizes in school without questioning. So don't question. Memorize it. Memorize. That will be very helpful later. Now, next one. After Hayavarat. Lan. Again. 10 times. Okay. Actually, it is learn that Chandra Bindu will come, but I purposely already removed it because if I put that, you will ask what is that. So you know this. Later I will modify that. Lun, that is nasalized vowel. What is nasalized vowel? We have not studied. We have known what it is. That is why purposefully I didn't put that. Later we will see. Okay. Now Lun, Hayavarat, Lun. Another one will come now. That is going to be a tongue twister. Now, okay, let's start from the beginning. Ayun, Luluk, E Ong, I ouch, Hayavarat, Lun. Be ready for the next one. Nyamangananam. All the nasals are there. Right? See, you see the sutra, 7th sutra, all the nasals, 5th letter of all the classes are covered in one sutra. It is in different order, not in the same order. First class, nga, second class, nga. No, that is not in that order. It is in a different order. You have to remember in this order. Because this is how the sutra was revealed to Panini Rishi by Lord Shiva. So you cannot flip it. You cannot say, na, ma, na, something. This is what in spite of teaching 100 classes, I have seen people blabbering this. When I ask them to chant this sutra, they will blabber. You don't do it, okay? Listen to me. Nyamangananam. Again. Nyamangananam. That is what my teacher taught me also, Samskrtam Swami Shankram. He will never give any handout, print or something. He will ask us to write. He will show the slides after lunchtime, so you have to come and write it. That is the practice. That should be done. If handouts are given, handouts will go into the somewhere the page. You will never see that unless you write it once. See, these are the traditional foolproof method. You may find it a bit distasteful or very somewhat inconvenient. But this is how to be learned. This is for your benefit, not for me. Because I know the sutra. I know sutra for you only. Okay. So please follow the method. Okay. I have written I1 and all the 7 sutras. Please write it. Write it, and in your room you can paste it somewhere. So all the time when you cross, you can see that. You just see that, you remember it. Later when we are going to see in detail, I will give you the whole PowerPoint. It's a beautiful PowerPoint. And I prepared myself sequentially. I'll show you, I'll give you the share with that. Why beautiful? Because I prepared, okay? So far more than 350 slides I have shown you, okay? Okay, now starting from the beginning. Ayun, Luluk, E Ong, I ouch, Hayavarat, Lun, Nyamangananam, Ayun, Luluk, E Ong, I ouch, Hayavarat, Lun, Nyamangananam. So this also you can add to the 4 sutras, deadline tomorrow. You have to memorize and come tomorrow when you come. Okay? Yes. Now we will read some words with conjunct consonants up to 12:15. Then we will talk about this Kriya Padam, Namapadam. We'll give some introduction to the language. Starting from Srinathai. Shakara plus na, that much you can read and read the word. Shakara plus na, Krishna, Krishna. Okay, next person.
Shakara plus
Next person.
Nakara plus ta. Gruntam.
Good. Next person.
Pakara pasta. Saptaha.
Okay.
Saptaha.
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 Haha.
Saptaha.
Haha. Next person.
Repa plus ta. Karta.
3 seconds. Not 15 seconds. 1 second only. Pustakam. Okay, good.
Takara plus ta.
Good. Next person. Not Takara, it is Nakara. Tha. Yeah. Manthanam. Yeah. See, those who have some difficulty, please take the help of tutors. Tutors are there. You know, somebody announced. Tutors don't have any job. You can give them some job. This person. You know.
Repa plus ta.
Good. Yes. Nama Naidu.
Samsthanam.
Huh?
Samsthanam.
Yes. Louder.
Samsthanam.
Samsthanam. Samsthanam. Shrikant.
Dakara plus the Uddam.
Huh?
Uddam.
Dam.
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 Udyam.
What is the last letter?
Ma.
Then
Uddam.
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 What is the last letter? You said Ma. You said Ma, right? Then say.
Uddam.
But my I is not there.
Uddam.
No, you will tell. That's why I can tell the answer. You said Uddam. I asked you what's the last letter. You said Ma. Ma means ending with? Ending with?
Uddam.
Ah.
Uddam.
Do you know Hindi?
Yeah.
That's right, okay. Krishnaji. No. Nakara plus the. Chandanam. Krishnaji, you have to work. Do a lot of practice. Next person. Good. Kanti Matinagar.
Repa plus the. Kriti.
Where is true? When you read properly. See letter by letter. Ah. Got it. Again? Gu is gu. Tamil influence பயங்கரமா இருக்கு. கண்டி பத்ராஞ்சி 4 கா இருக்கு. தமிழ்ல ஒரே கா வச்சு மேனேஜ் பண்றோம். இதுல 4 இருக்கு. க க க க. ரெண்டு ஒரே வச்சா தான் தமிழ்ல. இங்க 4 இருக்கு. எல்லாமே 4 இருக்கு. அது காவா, இல்ல காவா, குவா, what is it?
Ku.
Then.
The.
Where is who? Who is there?
Who.
Top the who, is it who? Then what is the vowel who then? Not kur. That is short who or long who? எல்லாத்தையும் நானே சொல்றேன். Then say it properly.
Who.
Yes.
Who the. Te.
Appa. Come on again.
Kurdate.
Again.
Kurdate.
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 See, some people have to work hard. Okay, then only you can match the pace of the class. Otherwise the class will really lag behind other classes. I'm doing my best, what I can. But you have to put effort. Where you lag, you have to put effort. Tutors are there, please take the help of tutors. Right? So you need to spend some time Samskritam. There is no other choice. You may have other schedules, but you need to spend daily at least 30 minutes. Next person, Saroj. Saroj, yeah. Saroj.
Bakara plus dha, dugdham.
Oh, louder.
Bakara plus dha, dugdham.
Dugdham. Bennaji.
Dakara plus da, da. Shuddha.
Again.
Shuddha.
Good. Shuddhaha. You can say Shuddhaha. Shuddhaha. One is Alpa, other one is Mahapana. Shuddhaha. Right? Next person. Read again. Good. Next person.
Dakara plus na,
It's not me, huh?
sha.
Sure.
Shuddha.
Yes. Louder.
Shuddha.
It is long U or short U? Then say again.
Shuddha.
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 Shuddha. Mahaprana. And the long also, long vowel. Shuddha. Not Shuddha, right? Yeah. Shuddha. Shuddha. Kshuddha. Okay. Kshuddha. Hunger. Next person.
Dakara plus da.
Good. Where is Cha? Bakara plus Dha is there. That is same combination is there in the letter. You cannot bring any other letter, any other sound. Bakara plus Dha is there in the word. Yes. Shuddhaha. 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 Next person. Good. Robiji.
Dakara plus na, sak, sorry, shakra,
Don't add any other letter, okay?
shankara,
Where is Shang? Shang under where is the nasal? Read letter by letter. First letter, then followed by the second one, the consonant, then followed by... Where is go? There is no go at all.
I'm saying ka with the
Ka is okay. What is that below the ka?
na.
Then what?
Shakna,
Ah,
shakno,
yes. Got it?
yeah.
Shaknoti. What is it? See, the bottom letter is a full letter. The full letter means a consonant with a vowel. Shak is there. You have read shak correctly. After that, you have to see the letter at the bottom. Na is there. Na, one stroke.
I
No.
flipped them around.
Where is sham and all nasal? It's not there. That's why I say see the letter, read first letter, second letter. See, I have seen people, they are bringing some other new letter, which is not there at all. Read letter by letter. And the conjunct consonant, the first consonant, you read with the preceding vowel. Shak, that up to that it's correct. After that it must be easy, because no is there. Nakara at the bottom letter, na, no, ti, shak, no, ti, shak, no, ti. Right? Okay, next person. The same form.
Kakara plus na.
Yeah.
Sha. Kna toho.
Again?
Cha kna toho.
Very good. Again?
Chaknatoho.
Don't be saying chaknatohu. Is it chak?
Chaknatoho.
Again?
Chaknatoho.
Is it chaknatohu?
No.
Yeah.
Chaknatoho.
Chaknatohu.
Chaknatoho.
That's it. Chaknatohu.
Chaknatoho.
Difference is there, right?
Yes.
Yes. Sagarji.
Nakara plus na. Ratna.
Good. Ratna. Swamiji. Ba, yeah. Where is badanti? Where is badan? Then nakara, where is that? Swamiji? First letter is ba. What is second letter? What is second letter? It is dha or dakara. Then read that Swamiji first. Swamiji, don't jump, okay? Read letter by letter. First letter is ba. Second one is, you cannot say id. You can say dakara. It's a read with the preceding letter, bad. Then after that, what is next letter? After bad, next na. Na, then now badnati. That is badanti. That's why I said always read letter by letter. Bakara, the ba is followed by the conjunct consonant. The first letter is dakara, bad, followed by the next consonant, full consonant. Full consonant, I mean with the vowel. Na, ti, bad, na, ti. That is how to be read. Put a lot of efforts over it. Next, there you go. Yeah. Huh? Annam. Annam. Okay. Shiv Tiwari.
Kara plus na. Na.
Hmm.
Anoti. Anoti.
What is the first letter Tiwari? Then why you say anoti?
Apnoti.
Very good. What is that?
Apnoti.
Now how did it come?
Long form.
Therefore a. Then pakara. A. No. Ti. Apnoti.
Apnoti.
Okay. Rameshwarji.
Amnyaya.
Again?
Amnyaya.
Again?
Amnyaya.
Where is nya?
No.
Nice.
Amnaya.
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 You remember the shloka we read? Enakshara samamnayam. Some people chant samam nyayam. Samamnayam. That is what is the word. Amnaya. Amnaya means Shastra, Veda. Okay, next person. Sat.
Repa and na. Rana. Tarni.
What's the word?
Varnam.
Again?
Sarna.
Very good. Move to the next one. Edgarji, what's the word?
But there's an. Oh, sorry.
Ask, it's okay.
No, I found out my
No.
my answer
What is it? Don't you ask me?
because there was an one N and another N, so
Ah,
it changes the sign.
what is sign?
Okay, we have
It's
the
a typo error. It looks like a
wrong,
typo error.
wrong na.
wrong
What is the typo error?
That na in
Na,
the slide.
It's not a typo error.
Okay.
It's a rule. Okay, now we learn the rule.
Okay.
That's why I'm asking what's it out. Please, you identified correctly, Edgarji.
Okay.
That's what I thought. Is it the one?
Yeah. Yeah.
That there it is a dental nakara and here is cerebral nakara.
Yeah.
Yes, that's good. I want you to spot. I thought anybody will spot, you spot it. Okay. See, repa plus nakara plus a. Right? Repa plus nakara plus a. This is what is there on the left hand side. Yes? Now, this rule is not important now, but I'm just telling because you spotted. Some people they asked also, so that's why I'm saying this rule. It's better to know this rule. It'll be helpful later. Remember, when Repa or this Murdhanya Shakara, I'm telling the rule, listen to the rule, then you can write. Maybe I can give you a sentence form. Repa or Murdhanya Shakara, when followed by the dental Nakara, when followed by dental Nakara, which is not at the end of a word, which is not at the end of a word. Here Nakara is the end or before that? What is the last letter? Not Nakara. So Nakara is not the end, right? So Nakara is not the end. That is one condition. And must be preceded by Repa or Shakara. If that is the case, then this Nakara will be replaced by dental Nakara. It's a rule. Panini has given a rule for this. Rashabhyam no naga samana pade. Leave it. You will not understand. When you study, you will understand. Says that, you can write if you want. When Repa or Murdhanya Shakara is followed by dental Nakara, which is not the last letter of the word. You want me to write otherwise? Yes? Okay, then I will write in a different way. This is the rule. Nakara, which is not at the end of a word, when followed by Repa or Murdhanya Shakara, then Nakara will be replaced by. Sorry? Sorry, not followed, preceding. And preceded by, not followed by. Because when I gave the sentence that it was followed by, here it is preceded by. Nakara not at the end of a word, when preceded by Repa or Murdhanya Shakara, Nakara is replaced by, the dental Nakara is replaced by Murdhanya Nakara, cerebral Nakara. This is in okay. But this rule is has got a lot of exceptions and you will find. But this is a general rule. Okay. Right? Now the next person. Okay. And
Sakara plus na, snanam.
Snanam, good. Now,
Hagara plus na,
yes.
Chik,
This I will explain now.
Chiknam.
Huh?
Chik, Chiknum.
Chik?
Chiknum.
I will explain this. Written this? Is the rule clear? Okay. This rule is not important now at this point. But anyway, I have given the rule. Later,
Chiknam.
when you see the change of dental Nakara to Nakara, you can remember this is the rule. And the nimitta, the cause for changing the dental Nakara to cerebral Nakara is this Repa and Murdhanya Shakara. Any of this. Even, not only Repa, even by extension, Ru also. By extension, Ru also. Ru shorter as well as long. Because it is also as the component of Repa. So therefore, Ru or Ru also precedes, then this change happens. This change, we have got a name. We call it Natvam. It has got a name, Natvam. Natvam means it becomes Nakara. The status of being a Nakara is called Natvam. So Natvam rule you don't know. Natvam rule you know. Right? Okay. Now, this one. Before reading that, can you read this?
Brahma,
Chiknam.
Chihanam, Chihanam, Chihanam,
What is this?
Chiknam.
Louder. Again.
Brahma, Brahma,
What is it, Swamiji? Braha. What is it?
Brahma,
Huh? Brahma. What is that?
Brahma,
Huh?
Brahma,
What is that? Brahma. Is it? Ma is there at the bottom?
Brahma.
Brahma, Ha, Brahma,
It's okay.
Brahma.
Ma is there? Huh? Brahma. What is that?
Brahma.
Brahma. Rameshwarji.
Brahma.
Brahma. Avantika. Huh? What is that? Brahma. Okay, you, Rajali. Huh? Huh? Brahma? Huh? Brahma. So, why is Brahma?
Brahma.
English transliteration you will find yes, like this, right? What is that?
Brahma.
Huh?
Brahma, Brahma,
I am not hearing. What is that, Marinaji? Huh? Brahma? It means the H sound is not there? Not there. So it is Brahma. Okay. How do you know? Is it? Guess?
where is Brahma?
It is silent. Okay. We don't have silent or louder or speakable in Sanskrit.
Samskrtam.
But in English you write like this. But how do you read this? Keshav, how do you read?
In English or in
In English.
Brahma?
Brahma. Oh, okay. In English they write like this. But it should be read like this. B-R-A-M-M-A. Brahma. And this also. Brahmana.
Brahmana.
You write like the transliteration. Here also H will be replaced by M. Brahmana. So now I'll tell why it is. I mean, not why it is, how it is. Okay, now let us take this combination. This combination we are interested. See, now to a large extent you can read conjunct consonant. That is why I am taking this particular topic. It's Hakara, Nakara, Hakara, Makara combination. Listen here please, you can write later. Hakara plus Ma. Written like this. Which is the first consonant? Hakara. Last consonant? Ma. Makara plus A is there. So remember, Ha at the top, Ma full. Consonant with the vowel at the bottom. Therefore, since Hakara is at the beginning, you should read what? Brahma. Because Hakara is the beginning, right? Though it is written like that, it is read like this. Makara first and then Hakara. Makara first and then Hakara. Therefore, B-R-A-M-H-A. What is that? Brahma.
Brahma.
This is how it must be read. But some Pandits, not only Pandits, even Panini Maharishi says the H can be replaced by M. Now what? Brahma. Back to the same one, Brahma. So you can read it as Brahma. That is, the Hakara also becomes Makara. Therefore, Makara plus Makara. That Hakara plus Makara, that Hakara plus Ma, it is Makara plus Ma. Therefore, is read like this, Brahma. This is written, this is spoken. Clear?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
So, Brahma, Brahmana. Clear, all of you? Yes?
Yes.
I see. Please ask doubt. Yes, yes. This is also correct. Yes, because I have heard Omkar on the journey with the chanting, they say Brahmarpanam Brahmavihi. That is a chant I get. But I chant Brahmarpanam Brahmavihi. You can say Brahma. That is simple. B-R-A-M-M-A. That is, the sound is Makara plus Makara. Clear? All of you?
Yes.
Yes. Now take the next one. Akara plus Nakara. What will happen? Akara will get the sound of Nakara. Therefore, Chinnam. You can see Akara is the first consonant, followed by Na, written like this. Right? But what happens is Nakara pronounced first, Akara later. That also, what happens, Akara will be replaced by Na. Therefore, I need that board. You have written this, right?
No.
Okay, I write here.
Oh, no, actually,
Therefore, when you Shinham, you have to read. What is that? Shinham. And that Hakara also replaced by Nakara. Therefore, it is read Chinnam, like Annam. Like what? Annam. Chinnam. So don't say Chihnam, Brahma. No. Brahma, Chinnam. Brahmanaha. Brahmanaha. Clear? Please note this. That is why I postponed this. I did it in the beginning. You will ask why, what. Now you are comfortable to a great extent in reading the conjunct consonant. So these two are the exception. So exception you can remember. Right? You are reading Tattva Bodha, so you should know how to pronounce Brahma. Not Brahma. Yes?
So it becomes now, but then if you said the Akara becomes another.
Nakara. Sakara becomes. Huh?
How do you pronounce that?
Chinnam. Akara becomes Na. Here this Akara, it has become Nakara. So Chinnam. Here Akara becomes Makara because that is the letter follows here. So Brahma. Only for this two. Akara followed by Nakara or Akara followed by Makara. Only for this combination, this Hakara takes the form of Nakara or Makara. Clear? All of you?
Yeah.
Yes. Quickly, another four. Who is the next person? Yes.
Dakara plus Pa.
It has nothing to do with the word. It's different. Actually, the other way, no. Takara must be there. Instead of Takara, there should be Takara.
Shat Padaha.
Good. Shat Padaha. 6 feet. Shat Padaha.
It's Ta?
Huh?
Is it Ta?
Yeah. Shat.
Shat
Shat Padaha. Next person. Edgar.
Takara plus Ha. Ut Palaha.
Huh?
Ut
Good.
Palaha.
Utpalaha. Next person. Srinivas.
Pakara plus Pa. Pippali.
Good. Tippali. Next person. Shilpaji.
That's Makara plus Ha.
Pampa. Pampa, you know Pampa river?
Yes.
When have you gone to Sabarimala? You know. I also went once. So this time I wanted to go, I don't know what will happen. Let's see. Pampa Nadi. Next person. Vincent.
Alpa Haraha.
Alpa? Haraha? Why should haraha? Haraha means robbing. Okay. Aharaha. Alpa aharaha. Breakfast. Alpa ahara means breakfast. Read alpaharaha.
Alpa Haraha.
You should not say alpaharaha.
Yes, long ha.
Meaning changes. Then Taurus. Yes. Hmm? Read again. Yes, again louder. Good. Spandanam, right? Spandanam. Spandanam becomes in the Saundarya Lagari. How many of you know Saundarya Lagari? Have you read once? Saundarya Lagari? Saundarya Lagari. No. First shloka it comes. Shivashaktya yukto yadi bhavati shaktah prabhavitum nache devam devo nakhal kushalah spanditum api. That's spandana. It's a beautiful shloka. Saundarya Lagari. If Shakti is not united with Shiva, Shiva cannot even shake. Na spanditum api na agati. Beautiful shloka. Okay, next person. Rajani. Very good. Not Pushpam. Pushpam. Next person. Soyaji. See, they know what Pushpam is. It's a joke, okay? Yeah, Sonia ji. Utpanaha. Mariana ji. Gumpaha. Next person. Thais. Good. Gulpaha. Now, Srinath, back to Srinath. Very good. Then, Yoni. Very good. Next person. Lambaha. Lambaha means tall. Lambaha. Okay. So with this we stop here. Then so you remember now. Verbal form, noun form. What is the Samskrita word for that? What is the Samskrita word for verbal form? What is the Samskrita word for verbal form? Kriyapadam. Dhatuhu is verbal root. Kriyapadam. Padam means word. Technical, it's a technical term. And how do you get Kriyapadam? By adding pratyaya to dhatu. Dhatuhu plus pratyaya, you get Kriyapadam. And what is the Samskrita word for noun form? Namapadam. Nama means name, so noun form. How do you get this? Add pratyaya to. What is the translation for Shabda? No? Another name is Pratipadikam. Shabdaha can be called as Pratipadikam, but I am asking the English translation for the word Shabda. Noun base. So verbal roots are noun base. These are available. Now you have to add pratyaya to get noun form and verbal form. Only they can be used, not the dhatu or shabda, because they are crude, unrefined. How do you refine it? By adding the pratyaya, the suffixes. Pratyaya meaning what? Suffixes. Now we will talk about shabda. That is important. Shabdaha, otherwise called pratipadikam. Shabdaha means what? Noun base. Can you tell any noun base? Anybody? Any noun base? Huh? Say louder. Rama. Rama is a noun base. You can tell your own name also. Right? Your name is a noun base, right? Sharana, that's all. Verna, Bekal, Shabda, it's a Shabda. Krishna, Shabda. Vinoda, Shabda. Mariana, Shabda. Maria, Shabda. Right? It's the same way. Rama, Shabda. Hema, Shabda. Shilpa, Shabda. All these are noun base. Shilpa, okay. All these are noun bases. Now, I say, Silpa eats. How do you say in Samskritam? Silpa, why eating always? Come on. Eats. Now it becomes, I think the example comes to me. Silpa reads. How do you translate in Samskritam? What is the word for reading? Pathati, not padati. 3 weeks of classes, Akshara Ucharanam is very important. Padati means pada. Pathati. What is the Sanskrit word for reading? But because we are talking about a third person, therefore patati. Not always patati. If it is first person, it will change. Second person, it will change. But patati, you remember, referring to somebody, neither you nor me. Somebody, third person. Patati. Who reads? No, say sentence.
Silpa Pathati.
Silpa patati is okay. Now, let us say, Keshav reads. How do you say? It's wrong.
Keshavaha patati.
You should not say Keshav patati. Keshav is noun base. It can't be used in the language. Silpa will come to that later. Feminine gender you have to come later, okay? Not now. Because it's a feminine gender word. I think that's the wrong example. Now we'll take the Keshav. Keshav is your name, right? Keshav. Can we write Keshav patati?
No.
That is wrong. Keshav is, Keshav in English, Keshava in Sanskritam. Keshava. It is an undefined word. Not refined. I'm not talking about your name. It means Keshava is a noun base without any pratyayas. It doesn't indicate anything. It is just a base, noun base, that's all. It doesn't mean the person also. It doesn't mean the person also. You must add some pratyaya, then Keshava being a masculine gender word. We'll come to the gender part later. Right? Being a masculine gender word, adding pratyaya, it becomes Keshavaha. So from Keshava we derive Keshavaha. From the Keshava noun base we derive Keshavaha noun form. Now you can say Keshavaha patati. That is valid sentence. Not Keshav patati. Okay. So, therefore, pratyas are important. And got names are there for this pratyas. Pratyas added to dhatus, added to shabdas. Those names we will see later. How many Keshav? Only one. Singular. Suppose there are two Keshavs are there. There are more than two. Then it will change. It will change. It will not be not the same. Keshava is singular. Keshava is singular. One particular person, the name Keshava, he reads Keshava patati. In Samskritam, like other language, we have genders. We have genders. Masculine, feminine, neuter. In Samskritam we call as masculine as Pumlingaha. What is that? Can you read this?
Pumlingaha. Pumlingaha.
Pumlingaha.
Pumlingaha.
Masculine. Pumlingaha means masculine. And you read this Strilingaha. What is that?
Strilingaha.
Feminine. Feminine word. And we have word for neuter. Read now. What is that?
Napunsakalinga.
So Pumlingaha masculine, Trilingaha feminine, Napumsakalingaha neuter. Right? In English, how do you know what gender is? The word is. Rabiji, how do you know? Rabi.
Yeah.
Huh? In English, I'm asking, not in Sanskrit. How do you know the gender of a word in English?
He or she.
Rabi, when I say, is a male. Therefore, Pullinga, masculine. Right? Alice. No, I know she is a woman. Therefore, feminine gender. In English, we see the meaning of the word. Rabi means is a person. Person who's a male. Right? Similarly, Strilinga means a woman with the female characters, female qualities. Right? So we see the meaning of the word in English. What about table? Your desk. What gender is that? In English. What about marker? What about my spectacle? What about my nose? What gender in English? In English, I'm asking. I'm not asking Sanskrit. Okay. In English, what gender is that? Tiwari. Nose. What gender? It must be neuter gender, right? But in Sanskritam, every word has got gender. Every word has got gender. So gender knowledge is important. You cannot know the gender of a word in Sanskritam immediately. Don't try to figure out because it's difficult. Unless you become familiar with the language, you will not be able to know what gender a Samskrita Shabda is. And now you have to depend on me. Whatever I say, you have to believe. No choice for you. Teacher is a pramanam, okay? So now listen. Rama, Keshava I said. I know Keshava is a man. So therefore, Keshava is a masculine gender. Fine. When talking about the name of the person, male or female, we don't have problem in knowing the gender, right? Okay. Now, in Sanskritam, listen, please listen. The gender of a word has nothing to do with the meaning of the word. No connection. The gender of a word has no connection with the nature of the thing. In other languages, English, other languages, the gender depends on the nature, the substance of the thing, right? But in Sanskritam, it is not like that. The word has gender, that's all. So don't look at the meaning of the word to identify the gender. No. Between the gender and the word, no connection. A word has gender, that's all. The name for nose in Sanskritam is Nasika. What is that?
Nasika.
I am a male, but my nose is feminine. In Sanskritam, not only my nose, everybody knows, okay? Nasika meaning nose, it's a feminine gender word. Keshaha, not Keshavaha, okay? Keshaha, hair. Not only my hair, even your hair also. It is masculine gender. Kesha. I'm writing only the noun base, okay? I'm writing only the noun base. Kesha. And this is table. Utpitika, it's a feminine. It's a feminine gender. The table is not feminine. The word is the feminine gender word. Utpitika. That's why I said you have to depend on me. You have to believe me. The thing itself I told them. Utpitika. What is this? I wrote the name. Shveta Palakam. Palakam. Palaka. I'm writing only Palaka, not Palakam. Palaka, board. Neuter gender word. I write. Okay, like this. Name. Palaka is a neuter gender. The word for fruit, pala. You know, you are studying Tattvapada, Drishtapalam, Adrishtapalam, Punyapalam, Papapala. That is also pala, and that what you eat also pala. The result also is eaten by you, right? Experienced by you. That is why it's called pala. You see how beautiful this is. The results are, the result of your karma is eaten by you. It's experienced by you. That's why it's called pala. And the fruits are also called pala only. So pala is neuter. So therefore, what is the gender of pala and fruit in English? Must be neuter.
Neutral.
Okay, that matches already. Okay, fine. Nasika nose is neuter in English, but here Strilinga. And Sanganakam, computer, Sanganaka, it's a neuter gender word. Lekani, this is Ankani, feminine gender. What female character is that? It has got nothing to do with the meaning. The word as gender, nothing to do with the nature of the substance. Right? So, in Samskritam, words have gender. Unlike English, don't look for the meaning. Right? There will not be any masculine temperament or feminine temperament, therefore we call Pullinga, Strilinga. No. Understood?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. And one more thing I will tell, then we will stop. So now three genders we have seen. Pumlinga, Strilinga, Napumsaklinga. And the gender doesn't depend on the meaning of the word. No connection. Word has gender. And okay. What is this? In English. How many? Now?
Many.
That is singular, and this is? What about this? In English, sorry, in Samskritam we have word to denote dual also. Singular, dual, plural. Tree, trees in English. Desk, desks in English. Teacher, teachers. Student, students. In Samskritam, student, two students, more than two, many students. So we have three numbers. How many numbers? Three, not two. Right? So singular, dual and plural. In Samskritam we call Eka, you can read this. Ekavachanam is singular. Right? And read this. Dvivachanam. This is wow, okay. This is not plural, dual. Dvi means two. And plural is many, bahu. What is that? Bahuvachanam, plural. Therefore, how many Keshav reads now? One Keshav. So, Keshavaha patati. Suppose there are two Keshavs are there. Keshav becomes, sorry, not Keshav, Keshavav. Not Keshav, not Keshav. Keshav. I am taking in English, okay. Keshava is that, becomes Keshav. There are more Keshavs. Keshavaha. What is that? Keshavaha. So singular, dual, plural. One person reads Keshavaha patati. Keshavav, two persons. What is patati? What is reading? That we will see later. Just know this. One, two, many. Three numbers are there and three genders are there. The gender doesn't depend on the meaning of the word. No connection. Understand this much? It's enough. Yes?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
So we will develop on that further. So Shabda we will see what Shabda is. How from the Shabda we get the noun forms. That is what we are going to study. I am going to give you a list of Shabdas which we have to memorize. Right? So your job of memorizing will start soon. Be ready for it. Okay. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. doubts? Anybody can ask me.